Hello and welcome to our channel. Here we discuss some spicy tech meals. First story of the day, world's first mass-produced under-display camera solution. China's display manufacturer Visionox has just announced the world's first mass-produced under-display camera solution. The world's first under-display camera phone will be released soon. Please do consider subscribing our channel to get latest tech updates. Up next, Facebook fires employee who protested against Trump post in action. Facebook Inc. has fired an employee, Brandon Doyle, who had criticized chief executive Mark Zuckerberg's decision not to take action against inflammatory posts by U.S. President Donald Trump earlier this month. Next, Zoom admits ending Tiananmen-related meetings. U.S. videoconference service provider Zoom has acknowledged that it ended meetings commemorating the Tiananmen Square incident at China's request. Well, that's a wrap on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more of these spicy tech meals. Adios.